Welcome to the mix, friends and lovely. And once again, we have Marcia on the mix today. Now, she is listening to a tape of the landlord where the landlord is lashing out on her. And so she's answering to it as the landlord speaks. So, man, it's kind of crazy. You need to go over there and just watch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. As always, have yourselves a wonderful day.
So don't make me have nothing. If you start this, you are dirty curly and you all out to come start things and then you don't want to come on life, come behave like. Oh, bumbo clot, you're born a foreigner, your blood clot file for mama. If you're born a blood clot foreigner, you have to file for your mama.
Dirty curly.
Mama, where papers them did there? How why do you have to take up my card and call Belgium embassy? They say me fi fax in here my PIN number. I say Chofrig, me nobody want go to West, so me nobody go now.
You have to call me.
It's easier to get it. Now if you did a foreign and you did a citizen or you did a green card and you lose your green card, it's easier and you give it up. Or what you do with it? Nobody have the file for you. It's easier to renew in back a old one than for blood clot get a new one.
You know
come your foreign band file for. You're not supposed to have a file for your mama.
There was something I see.
Something if you come out here, come blood clot talk, and come on life control of shit spam, you know, blood clot, yeah. Not on tick spam, you know, and we get cursing Nile, and gas style, and rub you off, the ticks off of me, you know.
This is one
Me don't like
because
see
people
because
fear
don't no tick spam me.
Because fear no.
Don't come no tick spam me, and come out here, come show no shit. Anybody for life ever see my picture them beautiful.
Not a Ross, big and fat and blood clot sour.
Blood, carry out the big one, make the world see it. Since you have both every blood clot, they say you have pretty picnic. And you want to come both spam people.
Me have handsome.
Carry out the big one, make we
My
see.
son is handsome. You
I
even
want
said
to
that
hear
by
that.
your life. What a handsome boy. You even said that
One
on time, my son handsome.
I tell you, don't make me head take me a blood clot. I don't come out and come show no shades
It
for
take
me.
you already.
Mind how you talk when you come out here. Carry out the big one, make people see.
Let out the blood clot secret. Dirty girl landlord.
And you have pretty pitney where you can't show. So show the whole like blood clot and don't take no set for me. Know that compound life come go like you show no shades for me.
Show it shade. Girl, show the shade. If you think your blood clot bad, show the
And I
shade.
talk about blood clot pitney.
Show the shade.
If you ever come back out you control no shade.
Show if your blood clot bad.
Post out your blood clot address out here.
Post it.
And let go the bees them for your bumbo clot.
Dash you out a blood clot one in dirty girl Erica.
At Bob's, you never have to sacrifice style or quality for price.
No, sir. Me say the same thing they do me. Me I do them back.
And that means you can host in style with my Betty set.
Don't put me yourself, me no let go the bees them for your
Me I
blood
turn the
clot.
table right back
You
on them.
can't move from where you live, cause by your house and we post out the blood clot address out there.
Post it.
Oh,
Post it.
me delete everything me have if it's sure. Yes, blood clot ready eye. I eat a ready eye woman.
And you are one brown and
Only
dirty.
on TikTok. I mean I have no PayPal. You me can't send in your them a start me page. And I like up the video them and that I go span me something. And you say yes.
You can span it.
Once me send you up, me say
You never know say you're a salmon. You plan to open the river, go to your egg. Ross, man, they call your egg. You're going to span it. You're going up to the river to call your egg. They know say you're a Ross.
Me want go TikTok because it's blood clot, bad mind. Tell the people they want me go there. Me I'll show them the dates. And show them why you
People.
I go over TikTok and
News flight, news that.
big stone
Erica done bleach it.
I know so TikTok go at 2
But
years.
people.
And some get one rose, one this, one that.
People. Share the video. People. Landscape and down bleaching.
People.
People.
You have to top ready, blood clot people. Now you come out and make life. And when you make your life, then you delete them. And I throw your bumbo clot what?
Yeah.
Me have ugly picnic. Me have no handicap picnic. You come now and talk about blood clot picnic. Eh? My own curse.
No.
Careful where you have
Of course
blood
your own
clot.
curse.
Go and fling your stone.
Yes, your pussy curse. One heap of blood clot and one
Because
is up in it.
get rid of the whole of them. Me did send call your bumbo clot. Me did send call you. I told me not hypocrite. Make I never tape every blood clot thing. Now you come from the bumbo clot phone a ball. Me feel sorry for you. You saw no? Love. And you know where you have blood clot no. And then boy you take pin for stick. I feel me love you want. Me have me love I walk with underneath me blood clot foot. Me take my love give you. Eh?
Come. Tell me what
see me on the road, look.
Tell me what the bleach out girl. Tell me the bleach out girl. Tell me
what about drawers and blouse and we got a coat so.
Get ahead of the changing seasons and stay ahead of winter with a fresh set of...
What a ugly
man. Me love you want. Me have me love I walk with underneath me blood clot foot. Me take my love give you. Eh? You want to see me on the road, look, so drawers and blouse.
Me not see it good, show me.
So drawers and blouse and we got a coat
all me see is a long pussy tongue.
I have nothing under me a leak.
No, all me see a one long pussy tongue in a shadow.
Me no business with nobody. Everybody know me.
But everybody must know you.
So drawers
you is a whore. Everybody must know you. Everybody know a pussy seller. Everybody know. Everybody know a pussy seller.
Make him clean.
And what you say? The last time he check, you need some blood clot bleach.
Fussy like
I saw scoring, father. You want a clean skin? Look at clean skin. I tell you.
Not how you would have done it. You bundle things right, and that's it.
Reverse style. Them a share me a share them Ross too.
I'm a 50-year-old pump boy, me have your fat. And you have value. Unless me pump people, me living on. I mean, I have a thing a drain.
What a ugly piece of surface. No, sir.
You don't ramp with me. After you come and call me phone and tell me rotted about to help you out. And when me help you out, now you come and contact like say.
Because me bleaching.
I don't contact about ugly pitney. You know my pitney them? Me have no handicap. Your first pitney where you have no handicap.
If you want to get out. That means you won't turn long way instead of cross me. If you want shit, if you want to turn on the wrong side. I talk about pitney. I want to know, man. You need to go by Jenny Craig.
Oh, get rid of it. You call me phone and beg me. Do landlord me and beg you come out help me fling 2 stone.
You hear?
Me come out now.
That's right.
Fling 2 stone for you. The people they lick.
You liquor ass, you. You never know say what's gonna turn. I tell you now. It was gonna turn right back on you. You come out, come tell her to fling stone for me and Tina, Chin, everybody else. I see what happened now. See I fling it back by you. Good evening, how are you? I'm okay, how are you? I'm fine. See them man. I know a whole I won't have no other secret. See there? You call her to come cuss me and help you and look you now. You can go. You must fight to no one a battle like how me stand up out here and fight my own little battle. And this may have 2 little lovely supporters them will come and fight for me. Nobody not trustworthy out here. You see what she do? You see what she do 99? She cost 99 for much week. So what you expecting and trust she? Guess what I talk about? That is what you not get. That is what you get. Me I bleach it today.
Unless you come from my life now, I try disrespect. No start that. No start that. Out of the business. Pass out of the business. No start. Can me fling you out here. Your mama born a foreign, but you just file for you born a foreign and you file for your mama. Go look for your mama. Cause woman, you file for her your mama.
But you not bad no file for you.
Cause you born a foreign.
So make you pick no file for you.
You come out of you talk about joke with niggle. I will put out your blood clot address. You say you're afraid for them put you nobody for life no know my real name. You want me ball out your real name or you want me spell you?
My address my line or nothing.
Me nah hide.
Address is a public something.
Me nah hide. Me live my life already. Me tell us my life done.
Me know your name. Me know your full name. Me have a paperwork. One friend of mine in Kerala got a quote. So me know her full name. Me look for the paper so I can't call it out.
Hold on, little bit. Hold on. As soon reach up a yard, I'm going to block you and block the somebody where they side of you. Are your man sick your stomach? Because if your man, they take put woman. And you have to stop take wood in your body hole that you have to do. Come on from a blood clot life.
So you not take it too?
And go suck your man.
You not take it too? It two are the same thing. It just one is more refined and one holder. It two are not take it.
I want poison too. Come on from my life. More reach up a yard to go take the other phone and show people who is you. Me not ready for block you yet. Me want to give you a nice advertisement.
What was that for you?
Me want to advertise you properly and wash you down and clean you down drunk from me soon reach up a yard. You want me show you say a so draws me have on pan the road.
Nobody now want to see you kill his pussy. Go away.
Me not look down underneath me a leak, you know.
You're not supposed to have nothing a leak. The man them now look up. Landscape, you're not supposed to have nothing under your leak. Under your rock stone. You already done fuck out a little substance. Them already from long time. That's why you look so dry out. You don't have no water. You don't have no water in you. And you don't have the oil for leaking. Where you leak for? Give us to see you dry out. Eh? Where you have something to leak? Eh? Your pussy done and gone for retirement. Then how you have something leaking? You tell me now. You're not supposed to have nothing to leak. Then you look at your skin. You can't look while you retain water if you go leak nothing. Oh, you figure done look a pussy. You don't look a pussy from Jamaica straight until Europe. So what kind of pussy have a leak? Where water there? How you have got to take one hose and pump water in that Ross. So they talk about no leaky pussy. Because you don't have no substance in that Ross. That's why you look dry out so. What kind of leaky pussy you have? Eh? You need to go drench that Ross with some coconut oil. Both your leak.
Now we pull your blood, just put the camera under there. Pass that for me now. You got it, banana? Go boil me fish there.
I play to play.
I bet you better come off before me reach up there. Up them back me I go. I want to help them. That's how I go and see you.
Me say the little empty barrel one can chat Ross, you see. And if somebody go check her now, she start tremble and sweat like a hog. Me say little empty, all she good for me come on social media and fly up her little self. A little pissy tail woman. That's all she could find one. That's all she could find.